We here. We see you all. Thank you for joining us today. Love you, besties. Thank you, members, for supporting us every month. Y'all are really there for us, and we appreciate you all. Love you. Love all our bestie family. So let's jump in the video. It's a quick one, but it's an important one. And we're going to hang out in the TikTok community today. So I have Terry here, April here, and I also have Gary. So let's go, because Gary needs these videos to be a certain length, and I don't want to go over that time length, the duration that he has for this video. So let's go. So if you're coming into the community, remember to smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video if you care. It is good vibes only. This is Create from Create Your Best Version. Y'all know the drill. Take care of you. You are your best investment. Choose you. So today's topic is Terry, no more dating in the TikTok community. So let's go down the street, make a left. Come on, let's walk, everybody. Come with me. Come on, y'all. Let's go to the TikTok community. We're trying to change some of the videos up and do some commentary, still doing some educating and motivating. And YouTube wants us to add more variety. They are encouraging all the YouTubers to do that. So, hey, why not do some reviews over at TikTok? Especially if it's some interesting topics. So, hey, that's a good one. Let's talk about no more dating for me. No more dating for me. So we have 2 videos, Gary. 2?
Yes.
3 videos. Okay. So can you cue them up now so that we can go? We can start? All right. While he's queuing those up, I'm going to sing for you guys. I got love on my mind. Gary just muted me. All right. Love you all. All right. So the first one we have is from a young lady. Her name is Keisha the Mystic. The second one is from Etna O'Kang. And the third one is from a male's perspective of no more dating. So this is going to be interesting. So let's go, Gary. Let's go. If y'all on over there on TikTok, make sure you go to their channels and follow them. So let's count this down. 3, 2, 1.
So I've seen some other creators talking about this, and I'm going to add my 2 cents. I am done dating. I deleted the apps after 15. I've been on dating apps since 2010. So after 15 years on dating apps, I deleted them. Used to be that I would delete the apps out of frustration, out of exhaustion, out of hopelessness. But this time, it's different. This time, I finally awakened to the fact that I genuinely do not want to be in a relationship. The way that I came into this knowledge about myself is that I kept meeting emotionally intelligent men who, had good jobs or had passion in their lives. Like, I kept meeting what I was asking for, what I thought I was looking for, and being like, no, I still don't want this. And so that's when I realized maybe I just don't want to be in a relationship. While I thought I wasn't ready, maybe I'm not ready, maybe there's something that I'm resisting, and maybe that's true. But the feeling that I have, I just had to admit, genuinely, I don't want to be in a relationship. I genuinely enjoy being single. I genuinely enjoy, focusing on myself and my own personal development and focusing on building community and my artistic expression that I'm getting back into, all of those things, my business. I don't know if I'm meant to be in a relationship ever, to be honest with you. I don't want to get married. I don't want to have kids. I definitely don't want to sleep in the same bed as somebody else, let alone the same room. Like, we could be in the same house, but we need separate rooms. And so I'm like, maybe this is not what I'm here for, which is insane, because if you have been following for a while, you know that I was also on the twin flame path. And the twin flame path is actually what led me here, because the twin flame path is about union within yourself and learning to love yourself. And that's where I've arrived, at this level of self-love that is deepening every day, that I want to continue to cultivate.
Hey lovers, welcome to Edna's Chit Chat, where I basically talk to you guys every single day about something random. Yesterday we chatted before I got ready for my 12-hour shift. Today I'm off from work and I've been doing a whole bunch of stuff. Anyways, it's day 3 of January 2026 and I've decided that I need to cut off every single man in my life. Did I warn them? No. But if you guys are seeing this, this is your notice. Even though I highly doubt it because I don't really talk to guys that use social media. It's just not my thing. Anyways, the reason I came to this conclusion is because I feel like if you're not adding to my life, you're taking away from it. I shouldn't say that the men in my life aren't adding to it. I just am so tired of being pissed off every other day. Like, it's actually draining. I'm only 24 years old, but sometimes I think I'm too emotionally intelligent to be dating. Like, I just feel like it's useless, and I feel like a lot of arguments can be avoided. Another thing that pisses me off is I feel like no matter how old a man gets, they still don't think maturely. I feel like a lot of arguments can be avoided, a lot of back and forth can be avoided. I personally don't even like to argue. I'm the type of person that I'm confrontational. If we have a problem, I'm going to talk about that problem, we're going to get over it, and we're going to move on. But men these days are childish. Anyways, there's so much that I want to do in 2026, and I just feel like dating is a distraction. As you guys know, I did a No Men November, and I feel like that month was very good for me because I was very productive. And then in December, I decided to let my walls down, you know, maybe entertain a couple of people, you know, be a good person. But no, I should have never done that. I should have continued with my No Men November and focusing on myself because honestly, y'all just pissed me off. And I know men are gonna get in my comments and talk about, oh, blah, 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 you're the problem, and say a whole bunch of stuff. But honestly, guys, I really don't care. And if you're a man and have the time to comment on this video, that means you're broke because you're not doing enough to make money. The fact that you're on social media commenting on a woman's video about her dating life means you're not busy enough. So go make yourself busy. Anyways, that's it for Chit Chat. Love you, and I mean it. Bye, babes.
Something that's so crazy to me is the fact that people don't even date no more. They just talk, catch feelings, and then trick you into thinking that you got something special with them until they figure out an excuse to fake fall out with you to go fuck with someone else on some shit. And then the cycle continue to repeat itself. Like, fam, it's an evil ass world out here. I'm trying to tell you. It's like if you would did that shit to them, they would have been looking at you like you just straight evil as hell, like the most fucked up person in the world. But as soon as they do it to you, they think that shit cool. And then to take accountability off themselves, they'll throw, but we can still be friends at the end of their sentence as if they ain't just break your heart on some shit. This generation just toxic as hell. That's why I steady be trying to fall back on some shit. Even when I feel like someone treating me right, bro, I just fall back to be safe, bro, because you never know.
Those were very interesting. Wow, those were very interesting. And I can relate to those videos. There was a time in my life where I did not date. I took some time out to get to know me better, to create a stronger soul bond with God, and to figure out my purpose. Why am I here? You know, what am I to do for humanity? To help. I had to find that out. I had to do some deep self-reflection. So I must admit, I took some time out and did not date. Best time of my life. Best time of my life. And sometimes you may have to do that. Okay? It was all about learning my purpose and connected to God from my soul. It's so very important. So if you've ever not dated for a period of time, drop it in the chat below, share, and let us know when, why, and how long. If you don't have a comment to leave today, that's okay. Just drop some purple hearts in the chat or the hug emoji. We love y'all. Thank you for joining us today. That is a wrap. This was a quick one. We gotta bounce. Where are my dancers? Let's go. Love y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. We'll see you all on the next one. Family. And remember to keep creating your best version. And it's good vibes only. Come on, dancers. Good vibes only. Yeah, see y'all. Good vibes only. Yeah, create your best version. Go. Like and subscribe.
I love you.
Thank you for watching. Go. Guys only. Go. I need some water. Can you get me a glass of reverse osmosis water?
I love you.
Very much. Thank you very much. Vibes. Create your version now. Go. yeah. Don't forget to check out our other videos, our dating playlist. Bye. Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
I love you.